In this video, I will show you how to apply for a job at Marriott. So to do this, you just want to open up a new tab and then type in Marriott Careers. Then click on the first link that says Marriott International Careers. So the link is careers.marriott.com. Then from there you can do a keyword or location search. So you can just click on whichever one you want to do. I'll do a location search. And then from there you will see this. So now you can just set the job category, whether it's remote or in person, the country or region, so for example the United States, then the state or province such as Arizona, and then you can also set the city, for example Phoenix, and then it will show jobs, in this case in Phoenix, Arizona. So then you can also filter by full-time or not. So just find the job you want to do, for example a bartender. So then you can either apply directly or click on it first to get some more details. So you'll see the area, you can see the description, the qualifications, etc. So if you want to apply, just click on apply now. Then from there you can either continue with your email or phone number. So just go through the process and enter all the details that they ask. And then after completing it, submit it, and then they will reach out to you. And that's basically how you can apply for a job at Marriott. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.